Hi kids, welcome to the self-test of National Science Olympiad for Class 5, Chapter 2, Human Body and Health.
Self-test 1. Question 1. This is X and it is a pivot joint because it is found at the topmost part of the backbone. So the correct answer is option C. Question 2. How many bones make up the human skull? The correct answer is option A, 22. Select the incorrect statement. Options are A. Last 3 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. B. Human body has 14 facial bones. C. Ribcage has 12 pairs of bones. And D. Adult human has 206 bones in his skeleton. Option B, C and D are correct statements, whereas the only incorrect statement is option A. Question 4. Cardiac muscles are dash. Striated, non-striated, voluntary, both B and C. The correct answer is option A, striated. Question 5. Joint present in hip and shoulder is dash joint. It is the ball and socket joint which is present in the hip and shoulder. Self-test 2. Question 1. Reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Option D. Question 2. Which part of the brain controls our heartbeat? Heartbeat is an involuntary function and the medulla controls all the involuntary functions. So the answer is option C, medulla. Question 3. Dash is the layer of the eye on which the image forms. The image forms on retina. Question 4. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Skin is the largest organ of our body. Do not read in a moving vehicle. Use a mild soap to bathe. None of these. All these statements are correct. So the correct option is option D. None of these. Question 5. Cells that make our nervous system are called nerves, muscles, ossicles, neurons. Nerve cells are also known as neurons. So the correct answer is option D. Self-test 3. Question 1. Which of the following is an energy-giving food? Soybean, orange, sugar, spinach. Out of these 4 options, sugar, which is option C, is the only energy-giving food or carbohydrate. Question 2. The picture shows legs of a kid who is suffering from a deficiency disorder where bones and joints do not grow well. Identify this disorder. The deficiency disorder where bones or joints do not grow well is known as rickets. Question 3. The fruit shown in the picture is rich in. The fruit shown here is a guava and it is rich in vitamin C. Question 4. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of calcium, iodine, iron, vitamin A. The correct answer is option B, iodine. Question 5. Which of the following is a good source of roughage? The correct answer is option C, cabbage, as it has the most roughage in the 4 options. Self-test 4. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Chickenpox, beriberi, common cold, measles. The correct answer is option B, beriberi, because it's the only deficiency disease as well as a non-communicable disease present in the options. Question 2. Which of the 2 diseases are caused by contaminated food and water? The correct answer is option B, diarrhea and typhoid. Question 3. Bunty is looking very weak and pale. He also gets tired easily. What do you think his diet is deficient in? The correct answer is option D, iron, because the deficiency disease caused by the lack of iron is anemia, and the symptoms show that Bunty is suffering from anemia. Question 4. Mosquitoes and their larvae on stagnant water can be controlled by. The correct answer is option B, by putting oil on the surface of the water, as mosquitoes and their larvae do not breed on oiled water. Question 5. Select the odd one out. Obesity, diabetes, malaria, heart disease. The correct answer is option C, malaria, because obesity, diabetes and heart disease are non-communicable diseases, whereas option C, malaria, is a communicable disease. Self-test 5. Question 1. For putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should see. The correct answer is option C, throw lots of sand on it, as water could even increase the fire. Question 2. The boy in the picture has a fracture because he has a splint. Select the incorrect statement. A. Never use water to extinguish fire if it is caused because of electrical wires. This statement is true. Option B. Apply oil or butter on the burnt area of the body. This statement is incorrect. Option C. Only minor burns should be treated at home. Severe burns should be treated by the doctor. This statement is also true. And option D. None of these. So the incorrect statement is option B. Apply oil or butter on the burnt area of the body. Question 4. We should apply dash on the sprained area until the swelling subsides. The correct answer is option A, ice pack. Question 5. In case of gas leakage, close all doors and windows, turn on all the switches, do not light matchstick, both A and C. The correct answer is option C, do not light a matchstick, as it could cause a fire. Thank you.